Hey there, cosmic companions. We're going to look at the profound symbolism of the Sagittarius tarot card. Unravel the celestial secrets of temperance, art, and balance. Unravel the celestial secrets of temperance, art, and balance. Unravel the celestial secrets. Here in the Rider-Waite card, we witness the alchemical balance of equilibrium between the fluid form in the water and the lunar sources in the water, all the way up to the halo on the Archangel Gabriel, representing the solar form as well as the astral realm. This is clearly the Salvador Dalí card because it has this unique nature to it with its pale colors and the sketch-like appearance. Revel in cosmic mysteries. In Dalí's realm, the card is encouraging us to be active participants. It is urging us to establish our own creativity workshop amidst the universal expanse. Yemanja, the formidable Santeria goddess of the ocean. The Holy Queen Sea, governing the watery riches of the ocean, fostering harmony between the spiritual, which is water, and the physical, earth or sand. A symbol of grace achieved through struggle, Yemanja guides us towards self-control and balance. This cosmic connection, emphasizing harmony, self-control, and equilibrium. It's a strenuous yet balanced union. Venus, water, and Vulcan, fire. They represent the alchemical crucible and the integration of opposites, and it's essential for true balance. This card reflects a dance between craftsmanship and beauty, portraying unity amid polarizing differences. Hello, Kabbalah. This card just propels us into the alchemical realm. It symbolizes the consummation of the royal, marriage, and the supernal ballet. The androgynic figure embodies balance and transformation. It urges us to align with our true will for spiritual manifestation in the universal order. Onward on this journey with Tabula Mundi exploring art, or temperance. This is a connection to the alchemical green lion. This represents spiritualization of opposing energy. It emphasizes the art of alchemy for successful transmutation of fiery force and fluid form. Fferyllt. This is a snapshot of Beltane and Druidic alchemy, harmony and transformation. Frigid, goddess of flame, mixes fire and water in her cauldron, symbolizing balance. See the steam? At the end of the second Druidic training phase, there's fluidity between the inner and outer realms. This is renamed from Temperance, and it emphasizes blending opposing forces, just like Temperance, fostering creativity and restoring harmony. I feel like the Druidcraft card gets all the things. Embrace the magic within to birth your creative self. Isn't that just it, Sagittarius? The fiery force of the sun with that passion that you all hold. Isn't that just as the fluid form of water? And, your laid back approach to anything but what you're passionate about versus the fluid. So thank you for joining us on this journey for temperance. Hopefully balance, harmony, and inspiration find you in your creative pursuits. So thank you for joining us on this journey for temperance. Hopefully balance, harmony, and inspiration find. Thanks for joining us. I'm Erin. Like, follow, subscribe anywhere you can put @Awen Ovate.